Hello, everyone. Welcome to Math Minutes with Mr. Chu. Well, what's Math Minutes? It's a new type of video that I'm going to start showing that just has one problem in it, explained in detail. So let's get started. I know that you're used to me having bare algebra videos or bracket geometry videos or tray arithmetic videos. But these videos are going to be just a little different. Yes, they may include algebra. They may include geometry and arithmetic and pre-algebra. This is the very first one of these videos that I've posted. So let's just go ahead and see how this is going to work. The new videos will just have one problem. They'll be worked out in detail. I'll explain them from beginning to end. This is my first video, this new type upload where I work one problem in a shorter than usual video. So what does that mean? I usually have a couple examples and maybe sometimes two challenge problems in videos that last about usually 8 to 15 minutes. Now these will be shorter. Make sure you pause the video if you need to, get you out a piece of paper, and you can work the problem and then check it whenever you start it back up and I discuss the solution. The topics will vary with each new Math Minute video, and today's problem is an algebra problem, so it could have been found in the bare algebra program. Make sure when you're doing this problem, you show all your steps on your piece of paper. So get out that piece of paper, grab you a pencil so you can erase any mistakes you make, and let's review solving algebraic equations. So this particular Math Minute problem is solve this equation for y, showing each step and explaining the algebraic reason for each reason, it says, but that should be each step. Check your solution for accuracy. So we have a rational equation here. Here's a ratio, 3y over 4 equals 2y plus 1 over 3. You might be able to do it in your head, but we can solve it step by step very quickly. So I take the equation and I cross multiply. So you take the 3y times the 3 equals the 4 times, you have to put in parentheses because that's a quantity in the numerator, 2y plus 1. So we're going to multiply on the left and use the distributive property on the right. 3y times 3 is 9y. Then I take and I use the distributive property by taking the 4 times the 2y plus the 4 times the 1. And when I do that, I get 4 times 2y, it's 8y. 4 times the 1 is 4. All I did now is ask you to simplify this. That's the reason. Then we use inverse operations will be the reason, which is called the subtraction property of equality. So I'm going to get rid of the plus 8y, and you do that by the inverse operation or opposite, which means I subtract 8y from both sides. Well, this crosses out, so I'll just put a little x in here. And I'm going to have 9y minus 8y, which is y, or 1y, and then 0 plus 4, which is 4 when I simplified that. So I'm telling you, I believe that the answer is 4. How do you check that? You substitute y equals 4 into the original problem. So where I have a y, I put a 4 on both sides. So I have 3 times my y, which is 4, over 4, which is going to be equal to 2 times the y, which is 4 plus 1 over 3. I simplify, and I get 12 over 4 equals 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 over 3. So now that's going to equal 12 divided by 4 is 3. And 8 plus 1 over 3 is going to be 9 over 3. And then that 9 over 3 will equal 3. So 3 equals 3, and that checked out. So I would put a big check here, and it means that I did it correctly. So that's solving and checking an equation in this 6-minute video. So it costs nothing to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so please click on the link and subscribe so you'll have access to all of my videos for help in math. Subscribing is free. You can search the channel. You can share it with your friends. If you have questions that you aren't comfortable asking your teacher, email them to me. Here's my email address, askmrchew@gmail.com, and I'll reply to your answer. Maybe I'll even make a video for you. Here is the long link to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. You're struggling to understand the math? Give Mr. Chew a chance to explain it. I want to explain your algebra, geometry, arithmetic problems and make them understandable. I'll see you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching the first Math Minute. And remember that I'm Mr. Chew and I want to help you understand the math.